Basically, part of speech are building blocks of any language. There are 8 part of speech.
8 part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition.
Skills are not just a piece of paper or certificates. These are the things you have, you can, and the abilities you can implement in your life.
Skills are very important in both personal and professional life. They determine how effectively a person can solve problems facing difficulties. And there are many types of skills: hard skills, soft skills, life skills, transferable skills, and adaptive skills.
Today I am going to talk about the skills. A skilled person can solve problems and communicate better than an unskilled person.
Skills are the ability that help us perform tasks effectively. Skills make us more confident and independent.
English is a language. Communication is crucial for building relationships, expressing needs and ideas.